Welcome to Best Cars Review. What if I told you that one of India's most loved compact SUVs just got a whole lot smarter? But no one's talking about the secret sauce behind it yet. Yep, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza is back. And it's not just a facelift. It's a full-on upgrade hiding more than what meets the eye. Now, if you're thinking this is just another mild update with a new grille and some shiny chrome bits, think again. Maruti has quietly worked under the radar to make the Brezza 2025 smarter, smoother, and surprisingly more premium without making a big fuss. It's like they don't want you to know how good this car has become. But we do, and we're going to talk about it. First, let's talk about the design. Yes, it still carries that boxy SUV charm that Brezza fans love, but look closer. The new front fascia is more upright, bolder, and now features a slightly redesigned LED headlamp setup with sleeker DRLs that give it a more aggressive stance. The grille now carries a more refined pattern with black and chrome mix, giving it a more urban and upscale look. The side profile still feels familiar, but the subtle changes in the alloys and body cladding make a big difference. Around the back, things have been cleaned up further. Minimal badging, sleeker LED tail lamps, and a tailgate that feels solid and premium. Now the real surprise comes when you step inside. The cabin has been reimagined for 2025, and here's the secret. It feels like a car from a segment above. Maruti has focused big on improving materials and feel. The dashboard gets a layered design with a dual-tone soft touch finish, and the infotainment system has been upgraded to a larger 9-inch SmartPlay Pro Plus touchscreen with smoother animations, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. And yes, the sound system finally is a major win, tuned by Archimedes with deeper bass and crisper vocals. For tech lovers, the Brezza now comes with a fully digital instrument cluster, a 360-degree camera, connected car tech, and wireless charging. But here's where Maruti plays it smart. They've kept all these features while still ensuring great mileage. That balance is tough, but Brezza does it with finesse. Under the hood, the trusted 1.5L K15C petrol engine continues, now refined for BS6 Phase 2 norms. It's smoother, quieter, and still very fuel efficient. You get both manual and 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission options. And yes, it still comes with Maruti's mild hybrid tech to squeeze out more efficiency in city drives. Plus, rumors are swirling that a CNG variant might quietly drop in later this year, which could change the game completely. But what truly makes the 2025 Brezza a hidden gem is its drive quality. The suspension has been retuned, still soft enough for city potholes, but now firmer at higher speeds. The steering feels more confident, the cabin insulation has improved, and even the automatic variant now feels less sluggish than before. Maruti has worked silently, making small but impactful improvements that most people might miss. But not you. So here's the big picture. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza is not shouting for attention, but it's quietly becoming one of the smartest buys in the compact SUV segment. It doesn't just look better, it feels better, drives better, and gives you more for your money without breaking the bank. Now, should you buy it? If you're looking for a reliable, feature-rich, fuel-efficient SUV that now feels like it's grown up without costing a fortune, then yes, the new Brezza is probably what you've been waiting for. But hey, don't take our word for it. Go take a test drive and feel the difference yourself. Just don't be surprised if it makes you smile. Thanks for watching Best Cars Review. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got more secrets on the way. Welcome to Best Cars Review. Today we're diving into one of the most raw and rebellious icons of American muscle, the 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of living history roaring through time with a V8 heartbeat. and an attitude that still commands respect on every road it touches. The 1970 Z28 was part of the second generation of Camaros, a complete redesign from the first gen. This time, Chevrolet went bolder, sleeker, and lower. The design was heavily influenced by European sports cars, but it never forgot its American roots. Long hood, short deck, sculpted lines. It was like a panther crouched and ready to leap. But the real secret of the Z28 wasn't just its look. It was what sat underneath that steel skin. Under the hood was the legendary LT1 350 cubic inch small block V8. It produced a factory-rated 360 horsepower, though many enthusiasts believed the real number was higher. This engine wasn't just strong, it was smart. It came with a solid lifter camshaft, a big Holley 4-barrel carburetor, aluminum intake, and forged aluminum pistons. It begged to be revved, and when you did, it sounded like pure thunder. It wasn't just about power, it was about the way it delivered it. The Z28 wasn't a straight-line-only machine like many of its rivals. Thanks to its sport-tuned F41 suspension, front and rear sway bars, and beefier shocks, it actually cornered well. It gave the driver something rare in muscle cars of that era: confidence. Step inside, and the interior pulls you into a cockpit that's all about driving. No screens, no electronics, just black vinyl bucket seats, a wood grain dash, round analog, gauges and a Hurst shifter within easy reach. It's simple, direct, and connected. You feel everything. The vibration of the engine, the feedback from the tires, the road beneath your feet. Everything in the 1970 Z28 feels intentional. From the stripes on the hood to the way the cowl induction scoop sucks in air when you stomp the gas. It wasn't trying to be loud just to get noticed. It was loud because it had nothing to hide. Every inch of it was built with purpose. Over 50 years later, the 1970 Camaro Z28 still holds its place among the greats. It's not just a collector's item, it's a symbol of raw performance, fearless engineering, and a time when muscle cars ruled the streets without apology. Finding one in mint condition today is like finding a locked vault of American horsepower. This isn't just another classic. It's the kind of machine that turns casual drivers into passionate enthusiasts and makes old-school gearheads feel young again. The 1970 Camaro Z28 isn't just remembered, it's revered. Thanks for watching Best Cars Review. Some cars fade into the background, but legends like the Z28, they live forever in the fast lane.